had this very, very funny reason. When I was graduating from high school, I saw a lot of teachers being spinsters, and I said, I don't want to be one like them. But the joke is on me. Because I'm a career woman, I would say so. But because I eventually opted to become a teacher, this I had to make as a commitment for life. And therefore, I would like to appeal to my fellow teacher educators and the other educators in the field that if we have to be 21st century teachers, we have to really aspire for lifelong learning. We have to be very adaptive as well. And we must learn how to collaborate with each other. Because becoming a lifelong learner will make us grow professionally and personally. If you're adaptive, if you're placed in different situations, then we can still manage to really cope with the various challenges that we are facing. And because we collaborate, there is always strength in our togetherness. And I hope that the passion to teach will continue to burn and burn and burn until we can make a big difference in the lives of our learners. God bless everyone.
This girl is really on fire.
Sa amin naman sa Department of Education, I was telling a while ago that if we want to keep pace with the Generation Y, our learners now are considered in the Generation Y, the teachers, the educators should also be in the Generation Y. And so, looking into the different lenses now, this would be my conclusion. How to be a 21st century educator. A 21st century educator should be universal. That's the word, should be universal. This U in the universal stands for an unlimited educator. Unlimited. The end there would represent that an educator should be network driven. Because the skill that we have in the DepEd, I am deliberate, therefore all of us, educators, should be network driven. What's the I in the universal? Educator and teachers should be innovative. Innovative, you know already, as explained by Madam, if we want to have our students to be in the 21st century, educators should also be innovative. Meaning, we should be out of the box. And what is I, then letter V? Don't forget that all educators should be value-laden educators. We have to teach them the moral, the spirit, everything, all the phases. And what is E in the universal? Effective. Educators should be effective. There's a difference when we say efficient and effective. Sabi ko nga, pag sinabing efficient, DER. Effective is DRT. Meaning, if you're efficient, you are doing things right. But if we are effective, we are doing the right things. And what is universal? R. Educator should be reflective. Remember the one that we have shown in the video? Educator should be reflective, meaning he or she should anticipate the future of our learners. And what is S in universal? Educator should be synergistic. Katulad ni Sir Alan, katulad ni Madam, all of us will be doing that. There should be teamwork. That must be, there should be collaboration from among us. And what is the next A? A, as mentioned by Madam, A there would mean adaptive. Meaning, what is the trend now? Remember, our students knew what is Wikipedia, what is Flickr, what is Twitter, what is Blogger, what is everything. They knew that. And therefore, we should adapt. And the last one, educator should be liberal because education liberates everyone. Thank you. God bless.